Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be going over 5 pieces of clothing slash fashion items that I received from Floerns throughout last month, and I'm really excited. I would say out of all 5 of these pieces, I can see myself wearing them like just on a daily, like normal basis. If you are interested in finding new fashion pieces that are pretty inexpensive, then keep watching. I'm going to share with you the details, and then stay tuned to the end because I'm going to do like a try on portion and show you what they look like on myself. For reference, I am 5'5", I'm roughly 150 pounds, and let's see, I'm short-waisted, and most of my length is in my legs. And then my bust is a like 30, I'm between like a 36B and C. So I'm kind of in that middle ground. So just keep those things in mind whenever I'm wearing things. And I'm pretty sure everything in today's haul is like a large. I can't remember. I will link everything in the description box and sizes and all of that stuff. So without further rambling, let's get into it. So first I want to start with the cutest little handbag that I have seen. How freaking cute. This is going to be so cute. You can wear this for like Valentine's Day. You can wear this in the springtime, Easter. This would be a great gift for if you have a daughter or a niece or granddaughter. It's really inexpensive. It is completely covered in these sequences, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it also comes in a pink color. There is a magnetic closure. Here's the inside. It is double lined. There are no pockets, so this is like what it is, but it will fit a cell phone. I have an Android or like a Samsung 23 Plus or something like that, and it fits my phone. So those are the measurements. Next up is the most adorable denim skirt that I think I've ever seen in my life. This is a cow print on denim. How cute is that? We have a normal button closure and zip, front pockets, back pockets, and a raw hem. This is a size large. I was able to shimmy it to my hips, so it made it a little lower. Instead of it being like a high rise, it was more of a low rise, which also allowed me to have a little more length down the leg and a little more coverage on the tush. If I was going to wear this high-waisted, I would have gone with a medium. Next up is a pair of wide leg denim. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the first pair of denim jeans that I've ever gotten from Floerns. I had no idea they even offered blue jeans like this, but they're really cute. I think these are a 30. They fit really nicely. They are a smidge on the short side, but I am 5'5", so I'm right there in that length where a regular cut is like, it hits right at the bottom of my feet, so I could wear like flat sandals or sneakers with it. But if I wanted to wear heels, then I would be flooding. These sit right at the bottom of my foot, so if I wear them with like tennis shoes or flat sandals or flip-flops or something, it's fine. But there's no way I can wear anything with any type of a kitten heel or higher without flooding. Now if you like the flooding look, I know it's a kind of like a popular thing. If you like your pants to flood, then you should be fine. I personally like my pants to hit right at the floor. Like, I don't want them puddled or anything, but I definitely want them long enough to cover my shoe. Anyways, there's a lot of stretch in these pants. We do have the traditional button closure with the zipper, the front pockets, belt loops. Here's the back side with the regular pockets. We have a little bit of fading, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, there is a darker color. These are so comfortable, so flattering to wear with like a fitted top. That's my favorite way to wear wide leg jeans, is a fitted top with like tennis shoes or something like that. Really cute though. Next up is a button down black blouse. It is long sleeve, very stretchy material. Like, there's a lot of stretch in this material. The lapels are a little wider than normal, and it almost comes into a V. I know you can't really see much here because all the fabric is like together, but if you can kind of see right here, it like flares out a little bit. So freaking cute. I love the extra wide lapels. It's almost giving like a blazer style in a way. We have 4 buttons down the front, and right at the bottom it flares out, kind of like the top flares out. It's really cute, super flattering on. There are no buttons or clasps right here. It is completely solid. Now this is a size large, and I would say it fits really well. It fits really well with the stretch material without feeling super restricting. And last but not least is this red midi dress. So beautiful. I love the cut of it. We almost have like a sweetheart neckline with ruching in the middle of the bust on both sides. That you have 2 ties that sit on top of your shoulders. So cute. It's really long. I say it's a midi dress because it does hit about my calves, but it's really, really cute. We have a zip closure in the back. And at the waist, it is kind of more cinched in, and there is a nice little flowy flare to the skirt portion of the dress. That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the garments or the items that I've shared with you today, please feel free to email me, DM me, leave me a comment, ask the questions. I am always here to help, and if you have any other questions about anything else, just let me know, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get into the try-on portion.